Hey guys, I'm Gaurav. I'm executive chef for Manzil Vida Downtown. I know you all stuck at home. I'll be sharing some easy recipes which you can all do at home. So we're gonna start with Acai Vegan Berry Bowl. Very easy. It comes with a frozen acai. Just put this into a blender. Bananas, please.
Bananas?
Yep. These bananas has been freeze overnight. It's the best way to do that. If you're feeling that your bananas are overripe, just put it into freezer. Just get it ready for that. Some berries, please.
Particular ones?
Yeah, and the frozen ones, please. Thank you. Take about 30 seconds to put it up. Perfect. Perfect. So just to make it look much beautiful, and we're gonna just garnish with some coconut. Put some berries around. And then more berries.
This is pretty healthy, chef.
Yes, please. Acai is just one of the berries which comes from palm tree, and this is very famous in South America, especially in Mexico. We're gonna put some granola here, and it's sugar-free, so I did not put any sugar in there, no added sugar in there, just a pure acai. So just to add a sweetness, of course, I'm putting some agave just to give some sweet. It's a natural sugar again. Pretty simple, very straightforward. I think best thing for breakfast you can have it.
Looks great.
Looks great. Very nice. Thanks, chef.